here's how to fix Instagram threads not showing in iPhone problem. Threads is an app from Instagram where you can post threads, reply to others, and follow profiles you are interested in. So if you don't see the threads option in your phone, then let's see how you can fix it. So I'm going to my Instagram, tapping on my profile, tapping on this hamburger menu at the top right. And as you can see, the threads option is not showing. To fix this problem, the one and only solution is uninstall your Instagram application. Once done, now we need to reinstall it. Go to your Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram, and now install the latest version of Instagram app. Once you installed Instagram latest version, now launch it. And now here you will find the thread option. So this is how we can fix this problem. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.